Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a graphics card in your PC. First, gather essential tools like a screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure your power supply unit has enough wattage for the new card. Always back up important data before starting. Remember to turn off and unplug your computer completely from the wall outlet for safety. With your PC open, locate the PCIe X16 slot on your motherboard. This is where your new graphics card will go. Carefully remove any expansion slot covers that might be blocking the slot. Then, gently but firmly insert the graphics card into the slot until it clicks into place. Secure it with a screw or the case's latch. Now, connect the required PCIe power cables from your power supply unit to the graphics card. Many cards need 1 or 2 8-pin or 6-pin connectors. Make sure all power connectors are firmly seated. Next, connect your monitor to one of the new graphics card's display outputs. Before closing the case, double-check all internal connections. Finally, boot your PC and install the latest drivers for your new graphics card. You can usually find these on the manufacturer's official website. After the driver installation is complete, restart your computer. Verify that the card is recognized in your operating system's device manager. Then, test it with a demanding application or game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.